Somebody's rowdy, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I got it used. I picked it up used. So.
The only thing is, man, like they're just really, really expensive. And
$5 grand, $10 grand. Two.
But the thing is, when you gotta replace them, which they're supposed to last the life of the car, but when you gotta replace them, it's like $8 grand. But a lot of guys who drive these cars, tractor cars, and have those only they put on smaller ones because you know they nice
Got the boys at this spot.
Yeah, I parked pretty fucking jackleg, but
Yeah, I was like, what is this?
I know I pulled in. And I was like,
it's all good,
I
man.
said I need to fix myself.
BMW drivers being BMW drivers.
At least I'm not a porcupine driver.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Damn, what a fucking lineup, bro. Dude, I love the grills. The grill looks amazing.
Appreciate it. What's up, fellas?
What's going on, bro?
I'm just happy I made it before James.
Got an F80 Tom over here. It's the fastest BMW in Charlotte. Right there.
Well, what? The way I
Crazy.
pulled in, pulled up. That's BMW stuff. What's going on?
Early to the party. Getting all the cars situated, bro.
Woo! See some nice E36 M3s already.
And action.
Hello everyone, my name is James from What's Your Forte. Please subscribe to John's channel as well. So I'm here with Yusuf _M3 on Instagram. Go follow him. He has a nasty Dravic Gray M3. So he asked me today, what are yams? So
there's a license plate.
What are what?
Yams.
Yams.
So the yams have multiple meanings, but yams, when in reference to my license plate, as you guys may have seen, we're talking about the color of my seats. One, yams is also a play on words because it's like it could say yeah M5, and then also we're talking about yams as in the derriere of a female.
Derriere.
Of a female.
How long says the fucking derriere?
The derriere of a female. The
He
rear
went
end.
French on us.
We're talking about the rear
Yeah,
end.
just saying
all right.
that thick booty. That's
Yeah,
that yam.
the yams. All right. So if you
What's the yams?
two big like
What's the yams? bro?
yams. So we're talking yams. All right. So Yusuf, now you know what yams are.
Yes.
And it,
You learn something new every day.
I'm gonna, and then it has to be on
Did you
camera.
point out an example for him?
oh
Yeah.
no.
Oh yeah. Can you use it in a sentence?
Don't let me go
Use
yam
yams
on
in a
you. Don't let me go yam.
James is always hunting for some yams.
Oh my goodness! Won't you look at those yams?
And there you have it. That's how yams are used in a sentence. Either way, look at this beautiful M2 competition. Beautiful. Even Churi. That looks nice.
Suit wrap, bro.
Jesus.
I had to buy breakfast.
Oh yeah, that's why you went. That was the breaker.
Yeah. More than you can afford. Check the plate tag.
This is a LS swapped. That's 2000. This thing's sick. I love this color. He was selling this for a while.
I still want to build a GTR, man.
It's like a cheat code, man. Get a GTR, put it on, T37s on it, slam it, tune it. Everybody does.
Only because everybody does it. I would get like some nice two-piece wheels.
F80 comp. Just stock, just looking great in Alpine white. Don't have to do anything to it. It's just such a great looking car. This is a fucking monster. Watch out for that ankle biter. Look at this thing, man. This thing's badass. Oh, Track S2000.
Supercharged.
This is my homie. He lives right near me in Valentine. I see him all the time. Such a sick geek. It's always something, man. I'm trying to see this beautiful E92. Those stupid Ferraris around me. Not the Ferrari. Give me that E92, baby. Interlagos. This thing's clean as fuck.
Wing is so clean.
Ooh, I like the steering wheel.
Like that BBS now, those are sweet down there. You need to get.
Turbos are so loud.
Dick whip! Damn!
Woo, it's a hot one. Hope you guys are all doing wonderful. Quick little car show vlog today. Cool, man. I met so many people. Had some great conversations. Thank you everyone for coming up and hanging out.